Welcome to Nuer-Language School. In this lesson we are going to learn basic English word in English and in Nuer language. These are very useful that you can practice. Let us start with word food. Kwan. Food mean kwan in Nuer language. Water. Pew. Share komnyura. Table. Kom en la kwak alaska wide. Table. Door. Teak. Sometimes you call it bab, and I believe this is Arabic, if not bab. But the correct one, it is seek. Door mean teak. Window, we need to have this window mean waringen. Bait, dung or lange, you can say. Okay, sorry. Lange rape, dung. But I prepared dung, so you can use this one. Bait mean dung. Cup, leer. Cup mean leer. Sometimes people call it quote. Cup, leer or quote, but I prepare leer. Plate, talk. Sometimes people call it tan, and I believe this is not Thok Nath. Plate, talk or tan. Plate, talk. Spoon, tung, or sometimes they call it malagak. I don't know. Yeah, but I prepared this one, tung. Call it spoon, tung. Book, or call it kol gora. You can call it like that, kol gora, book. Phone, jat. Okay, we can even say it dung liang. Okay, but I prepared this one jazz which is Thok Nath. And a book bunny, a book Thok Nath, kol gora. Okay, let's start it from the top again. Food, chalede, kwan. What is the meaning of food? Kwan. Water, pew. Chair, komnyura. Table, kom en la kwaka laska wide. Door, teak or bab. Window, waringen. Bait, dung or langarep. Cup, leer. Plate, tuok. Spoon, tung or malagak. Book or kolgora. Phone, jat or dungliang.